How do I access my voicemail on my Samsung phone?
Hello viewers. Today, we'll be guiding you on how to access voicemail on your Samsung phone. Whether you're new to smartphones or just new to Samsung, this guide is for you. Let's dive in.
Why do I need to check my voicemail?
Before we get into the steps, it's good to understand the importance of voicemail. Voicemail is a handy tool to catch those important messages when you're unable to answer the phone. Missed calls. Sometimes, you can't answer your phone. Voicemail ensures you don't miss important messages. Recorded messages. It allows callers to leave a recorded message for you, which you can listen to at any time. Convenience. Listen to messages at your pace, and respond when you're ready.
How do I set up voicemail for the first time?
If you haven't set up your voicemail, here are the steps. 1. Press and hold the 1 key on your phone's dial pad. 2. Follow the voice prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to set up a passcode and record a greeting. 3. Record your greeting. This is what callers will hear before leaving a message. 4. Save your settings.
How do I access my voicemail?
To check your voicemail, 1. Press and hold the 1 key on your phone's dial pad. This will automatically dial your voicemail. 2. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode if you've set one up. 3. Listen to your messages. You can press 7 to delete a message or 9 to save it for later. Tip: if you see a voicemail icon in your notification bar, it means you have a new voicemail.
Can I access voicemail from a different phone?
Yes, you can. 1. Dial your own phone number from the other phone. 2. When your voicemail greeting starts, press the asterisk key. 3. Enter your voicemail passcode. 4. Listen to your messages. There you have it. Now you know how to access your voicemail on a Samsung phone. Remember, voicemail is a great tool to stay connected, even when you can't pick up the phone. We hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and happy communicating!